place in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you once again. And today I'm going to show you how to make a Cajun Shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Sounds good, is good. You know it's good. That boy can cook. I'm here. I ain't going nowhere. Let's get to this. Cajun Shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Yeah. Alright, this is what you are going to need for that. Cajun Shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Yeah, that's long. But alright, I'll put the measurements in the description, so don't forget to check out the descriptions. Alright, we have some fresh Parmesan. We have our own home Cajun seasoning. We made that ourselves. We have garlic, fresh garlic mix. We have butter. We have some jumbo shrimp here. Look at that. Yeah. About 8 of them. And we got heavy whipping cream. And we have our fettuccine pasta. Let's get it. Alright, now our water is starting to boil. So we're just gonna add a half a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste if you would like. And then let's just give that a quick mix. Get that salt around there. As such. Alright. We're gonna take our fettuccine. And let's just drop it in there. There we go. And we're gonna get that down. We're gonna start that neck. Softened up. Getting ready for the fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Now let's make sure you give your fettuccine a stir. You don't want them to stick as they start to soften up and cook. So we just want to make sure you give them a stir. But follow the instructions on the package if you're not making fresh from scratch fettuccine, and they'll tell you how to cook it. There we go. Alright, gonna let this finish cooking down. Alright, while your fettuccine is cooking, let's go ahead and season our jumbo shrimp. So we're just gonna hit them with the Cajun seasoning. Just like that. Get a good coat on them. Just throw a little more on there. Hit it one more time. There we go. Alrighty, there it is. Got them shrimps, them scramps. We got them marinated. Well, not marinating, but we got them seasoned and ready to be sauteed. Alrighty. Alright, we got the hard part out the way. Let's get to the fun part. Let's saute our shrimps. Alright, we got 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we're gonna saute these boys. This butter's a little melted. And we don't have to worry about burning our butter because the shrimp are going to be done by the time our butter starts to burn. There it is. Now let's get our shrimps in here. Get them all real buttered up. Right. Let these boys saute down. Alright, the shrimp is done. Look at this. Beautiful jumbo shrimp. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, let's get them off the fire. There we go. Alright. Now while it's still hot, let's take our garlic. Right. There we go. That's how we're going to do that. We're going to come back. We're going to deglaze it with our heavy cream. Alright, let's get this heavy cream in now. Alright, we have our heavy cream at a boil. Let's add our salt and pepper. And let them mix. There we go. Now let's add our Parmesan. Let's go ahead and turn off the heat. Alright. And we done let that cheese thicken up. Alfredo sauce. Smelling lovely. Looking even better. Now let's do a taster. Make sure we have enough salt. Make sure we have enough of that pepper in there. Alright. Oh, that's it. Every day, all day. Every day, all day. That's it right there. Alright. Yeah, that's with the pasta right there. Some good Alfredo sauce, not pasta. We ain't put the pasta in there yet. We're gonna get to it. Alright, let's go ahead and get our pasta that we made earlier. It's cooled and ready to be added to our Alfredo. There we go. Look at that rich sauce. Yeah, full of that flavor. Look at all that flavor in there. Let's just make sure we get all our fettuccine distributed evenly. Look at that. There we go. Yes. Alright. That's the fettuccine Alfredo. We done did the shrimp. So now all we gotta do is put it together. And it's a winner-winner. Shrimp Alfredo dinner. Alrighty. Let's check it out. Yeah. Look at that. Delicious. Cajun shrimp, fettuccine with homemade Alfredo sauce. In your face. Oh, so delicious.